Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make an Oreo milkshake. Really tasty. Let's get started. Alright, so get your blender. Put in 1 cup of milk. Half a cup of vanilla or plain yogurt. 1 large scoop of vanilla ice cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 6 to 8 Oreos. Now blend this on high until it's nice and combined and nice and creamy. Yum. Now get 1 or 2 Oreos and crush it. Put them over the top. Put your straw in, and there you go. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for Oreo milkshake. As you can see. Oh, so good. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, best milkshake ever. It's not too sweet, but it's still delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Before I go, I want to let you guys know there'll be no video next week because it's my birthday, and I have a very special dinner reservation plan, and so I don't think I'm gonna be able to feel about cooking anything. So I want to let you guys know that. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you all for my next recipe. Peace out.